MoralBells!
The curry is almost ready, my dears. Smelt
Heavy rains again this year, but at least we're all safe.
And then, the clever monkey tricked the crocodile by saying the sweet mangoes were on the other shore.
Grandma, what happened next?
The monkey jumped high and escaped, waving goodbye from the treetops. Dinner is ready, my dears. Yay! It smells so good!
I'm so hungry!
Bless this food and our family.
Let's eat together. Here you go.
Here you go, my little one.
Vroom, vroom, zoom, zoom.
So sweet. A perfect evening. Here you go, Beta. Have some more hot curry.
Thank you, Mommy.
This is delicious as always.
So peaceful with the rain. Here you are, Maji. Careful, it's hot. Thank you, Beta. It smells wonderful.
More curry, please. It's so yummy.
Slow down, son. There's plenty for everyone.
The cat wants some too.
Here you go, Beta. Eat it while it's hot.
Thank you, Amma.
This curry is delicious as always.
It is a blessing to have this family together.
The rain is singing tonight.
The rain sounds so soothing tonight.
It does. The plants will be happy.
The fields will be green again.
Look, Grandma, a tea party.
Amma, dinner was wonderful tonight. I'm glad, dear. The children seem happy. Yes, they are. So peaceful.
This rain is good for the fields.
And for us, bringing us together. When I was a little girl, we believed the rain carried messages from the old gods.
That's a beautiful thought, Amma.
The children love your stories.
Does the rain really talk, Grandma?
Let's get the beds ready for this rainy night. I'll help smooth the mats, dear.
Wow, the rain is so loud. I can't wait to sleep.
All cozy now. Good night.
The rain is heavy tonight. Time to sleep.
Okay, Amma. Good night.
Rest well, my dears.
I'll turn the light down.
Okryk kona flat.
Subscribe to MoralBells. See you in the next video.